man, what you doing?
Hi! I'm building a planter.
Cool.
You want to see what it looks like?
Sure. So, the planters we got last year weren't great. You saw our video of us making them, and that was fine, but they did pull apart and they didn't weather well, and they fell apart, as you can see over here.
Don't show them our secrets.
Didn't work out so well.
These ones are made by Mix, M-I-X-C.
I'll put the link to the Amazon listing in the description below. They are $67, I think, Prime?
Yeah. And they have 0 hardware.
Yay!
Everything is tongue and groove.
Yay!
And that's pretty awesome. It means they gotta fit pretty precisely, but they do. Tongue, groove. Bam! Look at that.
Emerald Lagasse of planter building.
Yep.
Bam!
There you go.
This does say it is a 2-person 10-minute build. It took us less than 10 minutes once we started getting the hang of it. And there's really only one part that you need 2 people for, and you probably don't need them, but it does make it go faster.
So we're gonna see how quickly we can do it because we're racing the rain.
Yep.
We got this.
Trying to protect our camera. It's been having a bad time lately, as I'm sure many of you have noticed and some of you have commented on.
Got that guy, we got this guy. Now we're gonna take this middle piece here. Oh. There we go.
Need me to come over?
I might be able to do this myself even.
Wow.
Let's give it a
You
shot.
sure?
Well, it's a good experiment, right?
It is an experiment.
Alright, this guy's coming this way. Oops. Come back there. You come back there. Woohoo! Alright.
This is where it's handy to have 2 people, but apparently not necessary.
Handy is correct. That just kind of melted right on there. That's alright. Rain will take that right off.
Are you enjoying this kind of informative video? Do you like it when we figure out ways to save you money and time? When we fail at ordering other products and try to fix it?
Do you like it?
Well, maybe you should hit that like button and then also subscribe while you're at it, because if you liked it, you should be subscribed anyway.
Because if you like it, you gotta put a ring on.
Almost done.
Alright, so we are just about there. Gonna pop this little guy right in there. Bam, bam, bam.
Now, it should be noted you can just stop here, but they also have these fun little dividers that you can put in if you're doing like square foot gardening, which is what we do. And it comes with a plastic bed liner, which we're not going to put in right this second because you don't need to see that. You just want to see how fast he can assemble the bed.
And how many wrong turns he makes along the way.
Well, seeing as how this video is currently at 3 minutes and 43 seconds, and we did an intro, this is going pretty well.
There we go. Woohoo! It even comes
Ooh.
with handy dandy little hardware things here. You just pop right on the side.
So you can hang your tools. Yeah.
And just because you want that finished look, there you go.
And with just a few short minutes of Dan handling, or man handling, or woman handling. Oh no, don't woman handle. Or man handle. Okay, don't handle anyone. That seems like a bad idea. Unless you have their full permission. Did you ask permission before you started Dan handling that?
I did not. I did not. I will need to go to remedial counseling, I'm afraid.
Oh no.
All right.
Splinter? I've been doing my part
There you go.
Yeah.
This is the liner that goes in the middle of it. But we're done. Also completed, weighs maybe 10 pounds.
And the feet look different because they have weatherproofing on them.
And if you look over this way,
Whee!
we filled our garden bed with them.
It's not quite done yet, but it's almost there. You may recognize this as our swimming pool.
A much better purpose now.